Hi everyone, this is Sandy Queen of the Heart, and I'm here with a haul from 3 different places. First, I'm going to do my Spellbinders die of the month, which I love. So I got the small die of the month. I get the small and the large die together. It's $30 shipped, which I think is a great, great deal. And then I get the glimmer foil, which I can't remember how much that one is. But anyway, it's a kaleidoscope snowflake. So I guess you can do some things with these snowflakes. I'm going to have to go look and see exactly what these do, but it gives me an idea in the back. So you can do some fun things, but you also can just use the snowflakes, which is cool too. So I got that one. And then this one is super fun. And I did just buy with my points from Spellbinders the reindeer add-on. There's a reindeer add-on. So I did buy that one. So it makes a Santa and it makes a girl and a boy elf, which I think is adorable. And then with the add-on, you can use these pieces to make a reindeer. So that's exciting. Hopefully I have time to use it before the season's over. And then a couple months ago, they had something similar. It was like everyday words, I want to say. This one seems to be geared towards Christmas. It's Shimmering Merry Christmas Sentiments, so you can make a whole bunch of sentiments and cut them all out in different sizes, and so I'm kind of excited to do that. I think it'd be really cool to just cut a bunch of them out and just have them ready to go, so if I can get myself organized enough to do that, then that's what I'll do. Anyway, gives you an idea of what you get. What do you get? You get these 2-notched dies. I think it's you slay. I don't know what all the words are. Anyway, you get quite a few. You made the nice list. Merry Christmas. Making spirits bright. It's hard to read it upside down or backwards. From all of us or something like that. From all of us, I think it does say. No peeking. Warm holiday greetings, twinkle and shine, sending mistletoe kisses. So really cute. So I got that, and then it comes with a glimmer foil. So here's a silver glimmer foil. So that was the first thing I wanted to share with you. Second, from what is this place? Crap, I'm gonna have to try and remember what place this is. Scrapping for Less. So they had a deal on their stamps, so they were half off. They were $3, and these are mini La La Land stamps. Super cute, and also in clear because they don't do clear really on their Marcy's or Luca. So I did buy them. I thought they were really cute. So I got this one, which is Mini Marcy with coffee. Cute as can be. It's Mini Bumblebee Marcy. This one's in rubber. This one's Mini Ice Cream Marcy. It's also in rubber. And then I got this baking one, Mini Baker Marcy, and Mini Heart Cookies Luca. So I was super excited to get those because I love my La La Land. And then I had purchased the holiday La La Land box, the special box. And these are not cheap. They are, I believe, I want to say it's $60 plus shipping, but you get a lot of stuff with it, and it's good product. So it's a limited edition holiday box. So you get all kinds of goodies in here. So you get this Molly. This is a Cozy Molly. She's really, really cute. She's a nice size, and she comes with 2 sentiments, Keep Cozy and Hello Winter. You also get 2, those are red rubber, 2 stamp sets that are clear. This is a Caroling We Go, and they're little mice. And you get a bunch of sentiments. And you get the Santas, Dear Santa, which I love. You also get some dies. So you get this die, which is a door die. Nice size. You get this die, which is a chimney. Let's see. You also get this large stamp set, which I need to pull out. It's at the bottom. So this one, which is Christmas postcard. So you get this postcard along with these sentiments and these little like stamps that you can use here. So that's what that looks like. That's adorable. You get two stencils. So you can layer them, use them alone. That, and then you get a paper pad. And this one that we get is Christmas Hodgepodge. It's a sampler pack, I believe, of their Christmas papers that came out, or winter papers that came out. And so that is the kit. I'm loving it, buying those kits, because I do use my La La Land. It just might take me a little while. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Playing with the Heart.